Hello everyone. I've gotten quite a few questions about this assignment number 2, Units of Inquiry Central Idea assignment. So I'm going to explain this in English one more time so that it's a little bit more clear. Sorry, I wasn't super clear about this during morning meeting. So as you can see, this is assignment 2. So the first thing you're going to do is to click on the assignment. And then you're gonna watch this video filmed by Pan Laoshi, the other third grade Chinese teacher. So you're gonna watch this video first, okay? So we're gonna click on that.
小朋友们，你们好！我们今天要来学习一个新的探究课，新的 Unit of Inquiry。我们的探究课的名字叫
Alright, I'm not gonna finish playing this video. This is like a 6-minute video. So I'm just gonna click through it. As you can see, later on in this video, Pan Laoshi explains the central idea of this new unit. And he also walk you through all the new words and explain all of this to you. Okay, so you're gonna watch this first. That's step 1, okay? And then you are going to click, after you watch the video, you're gonna click add response. Okay? And then this is the homework, the assignment you're gonna do. Okay? So the trick here is do not click this play button. Click the re-record button. Click this one. Okay? And then you can see that you can drag the words and put them in order. So that is the assignment. Okay, is to put them in order. I'm not doing this right. I'm just showing you how to do this. This is not the correct order. I'm just showing you how to do this. And after you're done, you're gonna click the green button. Okay, so yep, so that was the assignment. If you, the trick here is in this, because in this video, Pan Laoshi explained this is basically the answer of the assignment. So you can take a picture of the central idea, and then, so say you take a screenshot or a picture of this, and then you go to do this assignment. So it's, then you will have a better idea of where things go. So you can look at your picture and try to match it and have a better idea of what the central idea means. So hopefully this is a little bit more clear. Well, after you're done with this, make sure you click the green button so that I can see your thing, your homework. Yeah, so hopefully this is a little bit more clear. Let me know if you have more questions.